Hi guys, today in this video we'll be playing Afraid Monkeys, but our goal is not to
get any
scrap,
scraps.
and we can't touch the color black. Actually, no, I am black, so we can't touch the color gray. The floor's white.
You literally just touched gray.
Don't worry. Okay,
But there's gray right here.
there's a gray. So, and our only goal is to run away from red / red.
Just come around.
Stay in the safe room. Okay.
Just help me.
Don't touch the brake, guys. Don't touch.
Oh wow. He's there. He's there. What is it?
Bro is dead.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
Kai died. So
The video won't end here because we still need to try and get into level 4 because that's gonna happen on part 2, which is when the next update is gonna happen. So please like and subscribe. Bye, guys.
wait. Okay, hold on, Kai. Before we end the video, let's keep exploring. I've never seen this hallway before. Kai, hurry up! Get in a safe room.
Bro touched gray again.
Get in a safe room.
I'm trying to find one. Let's go. We finally found a safe room.
And what are all these guys in test tubes?
I think they're prototypes when they fully die. But anomalies can't die, remember?
Okay, so guys, I think we have to do a part 2 in this because Redo is going to kill us. So
Stop the yapping and get out the room already.
okay, bro, we're so cooked. The blackout is
Bro is so cooked.
gonna kill us.
No reason. Unless we get inside the safe room.
That was just Redo.
Just go where I am.
I
I'm
can't.
in the shop. The shop is a safe room.
I don't. Kai, but
Oh god, so turn it. I gotta turn on my radar. Or else that's gonna catch me on off guard.
okay, guys. We're gonna have to do a part 2. So stay tuned for part 2.
God bless you.
Wait, hold up. Before we go, let me try to find Kai real quick.
Where the shop is.
I don't know where the shop is.
Make sure you just don't go into it. I'm gonna want to swap all your radar cams. Oh, let's see. Just stay there. And go behind the tree.
Nah. Okay, so where is Redo? Okay, so
Holy moly!
whoa, yo. Done. Done. Okay, bye guys. Bye. I'm not gonna get embarrassed. Oh yes. Bye. God bless you.